right. Welcome back to the second part of how to release and promote your song to Spotify editorial playlists. On the previous part, we used cyanide.ai in order to generate metadata for a song, meaning genres, moods, anything like that that can help us to fill out the first part in our Spotify for Artists page. Remember, we were here. And then on the last page, we had to write a description. We need to write a song pitch. So for this, I'm actually going to use another tool. This is the legendary ChatGPT, the smartest AI chat in the world. So I already went ahead with it. And this is not for the song that I'm trying to promote right now. I just made something up and saw what it did. And honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. This is a really, really good tool for those of us who aren't writers. So here's what I wrote. Please write me a song pitch for my song All Over the World. I wrote it while I was on an airplane and thought about how people are the same everywhere you go. I just made this up, I was like, let's see what it can do. And as you can see, it didn't really get me. It started writing lyrics. So also, if you need to write lyrics, ChatGPT is here for you. And then I wrote it, this is not a pitch. Look at what a nice AI cyborg this is. It apologizes. I really appreciate the apology, ChatGPT. Very classy. So here is a song pitch for your song, All Over the World. All Over the World is a universal anthem that celebrates the similarities we share despite our differences. Inspired by a bird's eye view of the world from an airplane, this song explores the idea that regardless of where we come from, we all have hopes, dreams, and emotions that connect us on a deeper level. This is beautiful. This is enough. You can even write it like, Spotify wants it to be maximum 500 characters. So you can tell it exactly how long it can be. So if this is too long for you, you can tell it. Try again. Let me see right here. Here we go. Try again. And keep it under 500 characters. And please autocorrect me. Let's see what it does. So demanding. ChatGPT apologizes in the meantime. I'm just like, do it again and make it shorter. Let's see what it does this time. All Over the World is a unifying anthem that celebrates our similarities across borders, inspired by a bird's eye of the world. This song reminds us that we all share hopes, dreams, emotions with its catchy chorus. Of course, it has a catchy chorus. This song is a perfect fit for anyone who loves music that brings people together. Why not? Seriously, I like this. Every time I had to write a song description or anything like that, I was always like, I don't know, I'm not really a writer. And ChatGPT is fantastic for this. Also, ChatGPT can check your lyrics or can check your grammar or anything like this. So ChatGPT is fantastic if you just can tell it like you're telling a friend, like I wrote a song, this is how I wrote it, it's about this and this and this, make it into like a proper pitch. Seriously, if I had to promote a song that is called All Over the World and it's about a song written on an airplane about whatever it is I wrote here, I would literally just copy paste this. This is great. This is much better. It's like, also I'm not like a selling person, so like ChatGPT really knows how to sell. So if you're looking for anything to help you with lyrics, writing pitches, song pitch, album pitch, whatever it is you want, just to write. Also, I can write. Write me an artist bio. My artist name is Benji. Yeah, not banjo, Banji. I am a master on the kazoo, and I played on the band Bicycle. I don't know how to write, but nobody knows how to write anything anymore with all this autocorrect. Bicycle. My music is electronic, and I live on a mountain. Go, ChatGPT. Wow. All right, let's see what else it's writing. So I'm just gonna start. Benji is an enigmatic electronic artist known for their unique approach to making music, with mastery over the kazoo and experience in playing in the experimental band Spicer. How did you know my bicycle band was experimental? ChatGPT, you know me better than anybody. Benji brings a fresh perspective to the electronic scene. Benji's music blend with eclectic beats, playful melodies, and unexpected sounds that take the listener on a journey to another world. Living on a Mountain has infused Benji's music with a sense of wonder and a deep connection to nature. With each new release, Benji continues to push the boundaries to create music that is both innovative and timeless. ChatGTP, if I had a hat, I would take it off right now. You are fantastic. So, anyways, hopefully, you can see what ChatGTP can do. It's free. You just need to have an account. You can log in with Google, and you can take it for a ride. Like, also, sometimes I wrote things and I just brought it to ChatGTP, pasted it, and said, please improve this. And I was really happy with the improvements. This is a really, really cool tool, and I can definitely see it being used not just for music promotion, but for pretty much anything. So I hope you find this useful, and that now, if you want to submit your song to Spotify editorial playlists, it will take you a lot less time and you will get much better results. Thanks for watching. See you next time.